morning and welcome to today's Baler Bulletin. I'm Race Ruiz.
And I'm Ethan Pagulayan.
Walter Leland Cronkite Jr. was an American broadcast journalist who served as an anchorman for the CBS Evening News for 19 years.
Exactly. He stated that, "I cannot imagine a person becoming a success who doesn't give this game of life everything he's got."
Attention seniors, if you received an email from Ms. Kaplansky for the State Seal of Biliteracy, sign up for the SSB HST on Friday, January 21st. We will have time to ask questions and complete your application.
Tuesday's Comedy Sports Workshop will actually be a mock match. Come see this free show at 3:15 in room 223. We'll need an audience. Remember that it's open to everyone.
If you're looking for a fun, easy class to take next year, consider signing up for improvisation. It's an active class where you interact with other awesome students every day. There are no public performances, and there are no public performances in Drama 1 either. See Miss Porter in room 223 for more information.
There will be an extended lunch this Friday, January 14th, to celebrate winter homecoming. There will be games, a mini float, parade, dance performances, and the Winter Homecoming King will be announced at lunch. Come out and enjoy the events.
The King will be announced on Friday at lunch in the quad, and the Queen will be announced at halftime of the homecoming basketball game on Friday. The game starts at 7 p.m. Come out and support your Lady Balers as they go for the win.
All third block off block cards will be delivered during first block today. Please check with all the Student Activities Office on Monday if you did not receive yours today.
Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about the things that matter. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. This upcoming Monday, we recognize the great leadership that Dr. King portrayed in his fight for civil rights and his inspiration that continues to live on. Remember the sacrifices made by those before us.
And that's it for today's Baler Bulletin. We hope to see you again next time, and remember,
Go
go
Balers!
Balers!